let's solve this question. There are two similar triangles ABC and XYZ. The area of incircle of triangle ABC is 44% more than the area of incircle of triangle XYZ. Which of the following is the ratio of perimeter of triangle XYZ to the perimeter of triangle ABC? So there are two triangles, which is XYZ, and one is triangle ABC. So this is X, Y and Z. This is A, B and C. And it is given that area of incircle of triangle ABC is 44% more than the area of incircle of XYZ. So I can say area of triangle ABC, sorry, not triangle, but the area of incircle of ABC upon area of incircle of triangle XYZ is given as it is 44% more than the area of incircle of XYZ. So I can write it as the ratio of these two areas as 144 by 100, or the area of incircle. I am drawing the two incircles. So this incircle is having a radius R, and the incircle of this triangle is having radius R. So the incircle of ABC, area of incircle of ABC would be pi R square, and the area of incircle of XYZ would be pi R square. From here, I get the ratio of in radius of triangle ABC and in radius of triangle XYZ as taking square root and getting the ratio as 12 upon 10, or 6 by 5. Now, important point is these two triangles are similar. If these two triangles are similar, I know the ratio of corresponding sides are equal for these two triangles. Now, if I say that ratio of corresponding sides, then that side means any linear length, any corresponding linear length of this triangle would be proportionate to the linear length, corresponding linear length of this triangle. So I can say if the ratio of in radius of these two triangles is 6 by 5, then the ratio of their corresponding sides, it would be equal to the ratio of their corresponding sides. And if the ratio of their corresponding sides is 6:5, then it is asked that find the ratio of perimeter. So the ratio of perimeter, or I can say if the ratio of their corresponding side, I am assuming the corresponding sides as this is small p, this is capital P, this is small q, this is capital Q, and I am assuming it as a small s and it is capital S. These are the lengths of side. So the corresponding sides will have a ratio 6 by 5, or I can write it as P by P is having the ratio 6 by 5, Q upon Q, sorry, I have written it upside down, or I have written it opposite, because the side of triangle ABC is in the numerator. So P upon small p is equal to Q upon small q is equal to S upon small s is equal to, this ratio is 6 by 5. Also, using the law of equal ratios, I can say P plus Q plus S, which is nothing but the perimeter of triangle ABC, upon P plus Q plus small s, that is equal to perimeter of XYZ, would be same as 6 by 5. So the ratio of perimeter of triangle XYZ to the perimeter of triangle ABC would be equal to, I am what is asked, this perimeter of xyz upon perimeter of ABC would be 5 by 6, and which is nothing but 0.83333 and so on. So the correct answer to this question is option A.